I'm Mummy.
My name is Jack, and today we're going to make something a bit different, something that you can't eat, but it's going to be so much fun. So today, guys, we've never made this before. We're going to make slime. It's going to be so much fun.
Is it going to be fun, Jack?
Yes. Alright guys, so I'll show you the ingredients. So we have got borax, shaving cream, hand wash, hands
Lotion.
Some corn flour, some school glue, and some food colouring. And we've got some 3 bowls.
I already have my bowl.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, I'm so excited.
Okay.
I already have my bowl.
Alright, let's get cracking.
Okay, so to get started, we are going to begin with 1 cup of warm water. So Oshi, would you like to pour that into the bowl?
And then
And then,
we're gonna get a little scoop of water, and then we're gonna put it in one of our bowls. And then we're gonna do a colouring. We're gonna just make it.
is that right? What I thought we could do is add 1 teaspoon of borax. Okay, so we've dissolved that. Now we'll set that aside for the moment. Now into another bowl, we are going to add 1/2 cup of our glue, 1/2 cup of the hand wash, and 1/2 cup of the shaving cream. So Oshi, I might let you be in charge of the glue.
Alright.
Right, now we're done, guys. So we're going to just give it a bit of a stir.
Ooh! So good. So excited to play with it. That looks so...
Do you want to give it a stir?
Yeah. That looks
Jackie
so...
can give it a stir.
That looks like my icing that I'm gonna have in my stormtrooper. It looks like icing. It looks like yogurt.
It looks like marshmallow.
Yeah. It looks like melted marshmallow. That.
So next step, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, which Jackie, I might give you that job, buddy.
Thank you.
There we go, tip it into there, sweetie.
Nice.
There we go.
Now do I mix it? Can I
You can give it a mix, and Oshi, I want you,
Can I mix it first, Mama?
you can.
What
And
do I
Oshi, what I want you to do is to add 2 big squirts of the hand lotion in while Jack's.
1.
Hold it upright if you can, sweetie. There we go.
1.
Excellent.
Perfecto.
Good work, Jack.
It looks like icing.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, it looks so good. But guys, you can't eat it. No, don't eat it. So guys, what we have done is we have put the original water in. Now, step 2, we're going to mix it with a teaspoon, and then we're going to put this in.
We sure are. So what Jack said is the original mixture that we've made up with water and borax. We've split that up, 1 for each of the children. And then the final mixture we've just done, we've split in half. So Jack, you want orange, is that right, buddy?
Yes.
So you're going to have red and yellow.
Okay. Because red and yellow makes orange.
And what would you like to have?
Blue, please.
Blue? Well, that's easy. There
Thank
you are.
you.
So Oshi, you can just play with it, sweetie. I'd probably pop in, say, start with 2 drops.
Yep, so 2 drops right now.
And Jack, I would put 2 drops of red and
Mum,
1.
Can I do it?
Sure. 2 of red and 1 of yellow. 1, 2. That's it. And 1 of the yellow.
I can open it. It's easy.
Good boy.
Then you mix it.
Yep. That's enough.
2 drops. finished mixing. Now, Mum's going to put the water and borax into the slime.
Yes.
While we are mixing it.
Yeah,
Yes.
and the key is to do this in really small amounts, quite slowly. So
Yep.
we'll get started.
All right.
All right, so Jackie, start stirring. You start stirring.
And then mine. Thank you.
And so don't stop stirring. Oh,
It's
it's
starting
coming.
to get harder. It's coming. It's coming, guys.
Oh, we need to get a good.
Mine looks like
shot of
it looks
this.
like.
Ew! It looks a bit skinny,
Escape. That's not even a word.
So as you can see here, we've got a nice solid sort of a lump that cleans up the bowl. You have to persist with it. Just keep stirring until it becomes this kind of blobby consistency, like this. So we're done, guys. Our slime project is complete. Here, Jack, you want that one?
Yeah.
So now to store this, just pop it in an airtight container. Ew. And it should last a couple of days. Now the reason that we decided to give slime a go, you know, it's for many reasons. It's for the kids to be creative. You know, so many times kids today are reaching for devices. So, you know, it's nice for them to get in and do something arty and creative. It's fun. And also little Jackman, he's starting prep next year. And so we're trying to get him involved in activities where he's strengthening his fingers and using that creative part of his brain. So, and it is fun, relatively easy and quick to clean up, don't you think?
Yep. And the sound of it is so cool.
Yeah.
Alright everyone, don't forget to comment down below what your favourite colour slime is. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Alright everyone, we hope you enjoyed. Bye!